Good morning, students. Here I'll welcome you for our virtual class. Our today's topic is the gerund and the participle. So, what is mean by gerund? Student, gerund is a form of a verb which ends with a ing and has a force to noun and a verb. So, gerund gerund is a means you can find out wherever there is a verb. With verb means you are playing, dancing, jumping, swimming. Okay, all these are your gerund. But this verb is used as a noun at that time is a gerund. So, for example, swimming, running is my passion. Running is my passion. So it means that here running is a verb, but here this verb is work as a noun. It's perform as a noun. That's why running is your gerund. Okay, and one more example is that mother's hobby is cooking. In this sentence, mother's hobby is cooking. See, students, here cooking, you all will say, teacher, it is a verb. It is a verb. Here I am not saying it's not a verb. It is a verb, but here this cooking word is used as a noun. Is a name of a hobby. Hobby is a miss what? Cooking. Cooking is a name of a hobby. And whether and it's a name. Name means it is a noun. Wherever verb is work as a noun, that word is your gerund. That word is your gerund. Okay, students. So here this example they have given. See, here the first example, baking is fun. Baking is fun for so many children. So here baking is your verb, but here this baking is used as a verb. Here baking is used as a verb. That's why we can say it that baking is a gerund here. Okay. Now the Lulu loves singing in the shower. Lulu loves singing in the shower. Yes, singing is a verb, but it is a name of a hobby. So that here gerund is your singing. Okay. Now, next, participle. Participle is that form of verb which act as a verb and adjective. See, in gerund we have learned it is a ing form and it is a verb. But in gerund, this verb is act as a noun. But in a participle, it act as a adjective, and even it can be in ing form also, in past form also, and even in a present form also. Just like this example, to burn. To burn is your verb, but the burning pancakes, here it is work as a verb only. That is burning pancakes. So here burning is your present participle. It is a present participle. Burn means it is already burned. It is your participle. Means basically it is what? Itself it is a verb in a past form and in a present form. But in a present form, it should be in a verb form. Just like in previous example that we have discussed, students, see here Nesbit is taking class on driving. Here taking is a verb, the full verb. Here it's an action. So here taking is your participle. Participle means which? It's a present participle. And driving is your gerund. Okay, students, so don't be confused in a gerund and participle. Gerund means a verb, but it is used as a noun. It's defined, it's a noun. And participle, it is an action in a present form or in a past form. Okay, just like here, the second question, to break is your verb. To break is your verb. But the breaking is also an action. So it goes in a participle. Broken, it is a past form. It is also goes in a past participle. To scald, to scalding, and the scalded child. Means it is a verb form, present participle, and the past participle. These are what the participle. So again, what participle means? It's a form verb. It is in the form of verb, act as a verb, and the adjective. Now here, what is the difference between participle and gerund? That is that participle is also in ing form. Gerund is also ing form. But here participle is used as an adjective, means which describe the noun. And here gerund is used as a noun. The word, just like a baking is a fun. Baking is basically it is a verb. But here this baking is used as a noun. They are defining the name of a hobby, name of a skill. Okay, so that's why it's a gerund. For example, football. He likes playing football. He saw him playing football. He liked playing football. So football kya pasand hai? They describe. They in gerund they use as a noun, and here they saw him playing football. मतलब उन्होंने देखा कि फुटबॉल किया जा रहा है. मतलब here this verb is used as a itself a verb. So it is a participle. Swimming is a good exercise. Swimming is a hobby. It is a skill. So that's why it is a verb also. So here they have used as a noun. So that's why this swimming goes to the gerund, and he saw her swimming. Same ing word, but here it is in the form of verb. Then you will think, dear teacher, how? Then you will think that how, teacher, we have to found both are ing, how one is noun form, how it is the adjective. By reading, by understanding the meaning of the word, you will come to know that this gambling and swimming, playing is used as words. So that's why in the beginning session that we have learned, you should know what is mean by noun, what is mean by the pronoun, what is mean by the adjective, and what is mean by the verb. It's most important. Most means most important. Now here I'll ask question.